ओके.
गुड इव्हनिंग. तुमच्या सगळ्यांचे स्वागत आजच्या प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सचा. ॲक्च्युली दिस प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स इज गांधी शिल्प बाजार वो आम्ही 5 डिसेंबर ते 11 डिसेंबर विल बी ऑर्गनायझिंग दिस. ॲक्च्युली दिस इज बाय ऑफिस ऑफ डेव्हलपमेंट कमिशनर हँडीक्राफ्ट सर्विस सेंटर गोवा in association with Rabindra Bhavan. We are organizing this. She is director of Development Commissioner Handicraft Service Center, Panji KL Rajeshwari. She will tell you about the detailed program, what they are going to exhibit, what are different types of programs they have for even children. She will brief you about it. We're tying up with schools and other social activities for the community. She will brief you. So I hand over to her. Please.
Thank you so much, sir. Good evening to all. It is my honor to today to release the press regarding Gandhi Shilp Bazaar district. Actually, our office is Office of Development Commissioner Handicrafts, Ministry of Textiles. It's a Government of India office. Our office is field office is in Panji Handicraft Service Center, and the main branch office is in headquarters in Delhi. Office of PC Handicrafts, Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. This main motto of this department is it helps to promote the artisans. Actually, in Ministry of Textiles there are 3 departments. One is the Ministry of Textiles for handicrafts, another one is for handloom, another one is for jute. So we are the 3 sisters and brothers that we are working with promoting the artisans, weavers, even jute people also. So this time Gandhi Shilp Bazaar district is one of the concept where 50 stalls will be there. In that 40 stalls will be the handicrafts artisans and 10 stalls for the weavers, handloom weavers. In this exhibitions overall India artisans will nominate from like us, Handicraft Service Center Panji, like us, field office, many field offices are there in overall India. There they will nominate the artisans in our indianhandicrafts.gov.in. That through will be in online only and will be selected by our officers. And after that nominations we will give the stall to them free of cost, and we will try to promote the artisans and the weavers with the different using the different plans. For example, one plan sir told that the education department we need to write a letter. After that the school students will come and they will see the different crafts in over India, how they will learn. After that we will give the motivation to them, little bit of competition, we'll give the competition to them, little like painting, mehndi competition, or in any artisans there jewelry competition, and we will motivate the students also, schools also. And in over as Handicraft Service Center first time got the this much big 50 stall arrangement. Office itself got this to organize the exhibition. Always we will give, the department will give the implementing agency, but this time they given the office responsibility to coordinate with the Rabindra Bhavan. So we all are doing for that, promoting the artisans and weavers. This time hope it will be successful. We are organizing beautifully. We keep everything ready. It is my request the media people kindly promote the Gandhi Shilp Bazaar district, because our artisans will come from overall India, the different crafts, and they are carrying their small babies also for a livelihood. It is my request, you people please promote our exhibition.
Education department.
Yeah, we contacted the Director of Education. We talked with the director also.
Talking about Salsa School, they come for 1 hour, 1 batch. They can see how the weaving is done, any craftsmanship done. So there will be certain workshop. Certificate will be given to them. They have done nice certificate and also. So at least they know what is happening in the country.
Subscribe and follow our YouTube and Facebook channel for more videos.